Today I'm going to cover some updates to Figma's glass effect, so let's go. You can now apply a different rounded corner value to each corner of a frame. I'm going to set 180 and 180, come down to the effects panel and choose glass. With the glass effect selected, see what it looks like over other layers. Adjust those properties, exaggerate some of them, and see how that looks. Duplicate that and see how that appears. We can round off that last individual corner, making a fun little Figma logo. You can also set the glass effect to text. Here I have this clock and I can adjust refraction, depth, dispersion, and this new feature Splay, which gives you more control over those edges. Let's say you want to control glass properties on a global level and use them with modes. You can bind glass properties to variables. Here you can see my variables panel and I can make a glass frost adjustment. This is affecting both these icons and the background. As I hold shift and up, you see the angle moving, that the light on both the icons and respective backgrounds are in tandem because they're bound to this variable. Glass also works on vector object fills. This vector icon I have has glass applied. This shape that I have is also working with glass. To work effectively with strokes, first you want to convert them to a union object. This will treat the stroke as a fill. Then I can apply glass to make those adjustments. Double click and adjust the stroke inside of the union object. I can even apply features like variable with vector points. Let's make one more example showing the power of organic shapes with glass. Draw out a circle, duplicate that down by holding the Option key, press R to draw out a line. Select all three by holding the Shift key and align those vertically. Hit Command D, let's rotate that to the right and select all of these objects. Come down here and choose the Union Boolean object. Choose a generous corner radius and let's apply the glass effect. When we double click in, make adjustments. That corner radius applied to the Boolean object is gonna give us the nice organic shape. Change the underlying color and continue making adjustments. Experimenting with this effect can create some very compelling visuals. That's it for the glass updates. Hopefully you found that helpful, and as always, happy designing.